Hi everyone, welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. Storage Saturday is back. We're going to have it as a regular feature at least 3 times a month, and also over on Instagram too. You'll see some posts popping up, so make sure you are following us over there. And of course, if you are here, hit subscribe, ring the bell, thumbs up, and you can join the channel to be part of our community. So lots of fun things going on, but today I want to show you how to customize storage and really make it perfect for your needs. I have this new Deflecto tray here. So this is a hard tray. This here that you can see goes under your lap, and you've got areas here for like crayons or paintbrushes. You could use it as a cup holder, and a couple of pieces here. Now you can see on your screen Tilly using hers once I've customized it in a minute. So I want to show you some tips and tricks to do this. So I've already cut out my Tilly using my Cricut, and you can use any electronic cutting machine. You could use die cuts, you could freehand if you feel like it. And I'm going to grab myself some transfer tape. So I'm going to take this and I am going to pop this over the top. And I'm just going to pop this on, like so. And I've got a little scraper here, anything that works for you. This is just my Tim Holtz Media Mat Cleaner. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to release it onto the transfer tape. I mean, look how quick and easy this is. Like, super, super simple. But the next part I want to do is I'm going to put this transfer tape just back onto its release paper. I'm not pressing it down or anything because I want to show you how to get it perfectly straight. So you can take your piece. You'll notice I curved it slightly, and I want to make sure I'm pretty much in the middle. So I'm going to take some masking tape. I'm actually just going to put the masking tape over where I've got the plastic. I don't want the masking tape over the release paper. And I'm going to lift this up just like a hinge. You see how it hinges up? Because it's going to go down exactly where I just had it. So we can hinge this up and peel off our release paper again. Just remove the paper and then take this and put it down perfectly. Now this top piece is also a little bit bowed, so that it's really easy for kids to work on. It comes in lots of different colours too. This is one that Deflecto sent us. So I'm just giving it a good press down. I'm also going to take my scraper, just make sure it's super stuck. And then peel off your masking tape and start peeling back your transfer tape. And the way I like to peel back transfer tape to make it easy, as you can see, is I fold that transfer tape, and then that fold just helps me peel it away. It's super, super simple. And see how easy is this. Another one. And I'm going to peel across here. So that is it. That's how easy it is to customize. And again, you can see Tilly playing with her tray. She loves these. We've had one of these before, but now of course she's going to have a custom one. You could seal this if you wanted to, but there is no need. I use permanent vinyl on here, so it's not going to go anywhere. You can pick these up in your big box retailers. I will put the name in the description for you so you can find out where to get it. And I hope you enjoy. Let me know if you customize some storage for your kids too. You can check out Storage Saturday next week, where I'm going to be showing you how to set up the perfect homework station as well. Plus, of course, I'll be back tomorrow with another tip, trick, tutorial, or maybe something a little bit different. So be sure to be following below, and we'll see you tomorrow. Happy crafting. Bye.